Hello guys, welcome to In 5 Minutes. In this 5 minutes, we are going to see the race around condition in JK flip-flop. To understand the race around condition in JK flip-flop, we need to see the structure of JK flip-flop. So here what you are seeing is there are two NAND gates 1 and 2. They are forming a 1-bit memory cell to which connected NAND gates 3 and 4. They are going to provide the input provisions along with the clock. So what we are going to do, this is nothing but SR clock flip-flop. But if for the output Q and Q bar, if you take the feedback from Q bar and connect it to the third AND gate, and feedback from the Q is taken as the input to the fourth, clocked SR diagram converted to JK flip-flop in particular. And in JK flip-flop, if the input 1 1 is given, which was the prohibited case in the case of SR flip-flop, and for time being we are considering that previous state is 0 here, and for JK11 we get output as QN bar. Now QN is 0 here, so this 0 fed back, and this QN bar, that is also fed back. So after time delta t, these inputs are processed and the output will change to Qn bar, that is the next state. So there will be Qn is 0, so it will be 1 and this will be 0. So in time delta t is nothing but the total delay of gate number 3, 4 and 1, 2. Output is calculated, but output is directly fed back or directly shorted to input, and input is present till this much of time, that is nothing but t by 2. So what will happen? Outputs are directly shorted. Once again input is 1 1, clock is present, again the inputs are processed, the output will be Qn bar. So for this 0, Qn is 1, so Qn bar will be 0 and this will be 1. This will be calculated for the next time delta t. So in next delta t, once again the output is changed from 0 to 1 and 1 to 0. So how much long time this procedure will take place? This will take place till the positive level is ended. Means let us say we have started from 0. So in delta time t, it is calculated the position 1. After delta t, it is moved on to 0. Again delta t, it will be 1, again 0, again 1, 0, 1, 0. This is nothing but the toggling mode of JK flip-flop. But by the time the positive level trigger ends here, means clock is unable till this time, after that clock is negative leveled or 0 leveled and the input will not be treated, they will not be allowed to go into the circuit, then we don't know what is the current position here. And by the time when next positive level starts from this position, we don't know the previous state whether it is 0 or 1, because n number of time it is validated here is going up and down continuously toggling, that we cannot predict this case. That's why this is called as race around, because it's continuously racing around 0s to 1, 0 to 1. So this is the race around condition in JK flip-flop. So though we are provided to use the input combination 1 1, that thing we are not supposed to use in SR, it's just a prohibited input in SR and it is allowed input in JK, still there is a problem. To overcome this problem, what you can do, the time delta t required here, delta t, time taken for the inputs to convert it into the output, should be greater than or equal to t by 2. If the delta t is greater than t by 2, means first toggling will be occurred somewhere in between this section. So delta t is greater than t by 2, then the output will be calculated here and there will be no clock cycle available or no clock pulse available. Therefore the output is not calculated for the further toggling and you can get the exact output for the next level trigger. So this is the very first point, how you can prevent the race around condition. Second point, what you can do is you need to use edge trigger. We need to take positive edge trigger or negative edge trigger flip-flop, that is nothing but only at the positive edge the output will be changed, or if negative edge trigger is used, only at the negative edge output will be triggered. So these are the two cases majorly used to prevent the race around condition in JK. One more condition is there, third one, that is also important, which is nothing but use of master slave JK flip flop. Now with the help of master slave JK flip flop, there are two flip flops. One is the master and another flip flop is the slave flip flop. With the help of MSJK or master slave JK, you can easily eliminate the race around condition in JK flip flop, that we are going to see in the another session. Thank you for watching in 5 minutes.